What's going on? It's Ed here from ClicksGeek, and just want to walk you through a quick campaign for a foundation repair client of ours. So this is Google Ads for foundation repair companies. So as you can see, got last 30 days. We've got a client in the Texas market. If you're in foundation repair, you know Texas is the hotbed for foundation repair. So let's pop through real quick. This client has spent almost $1,800. They've gotten 17 leads, approximately $100 a lead, with a 34% conversion rate. So this campaign is doing very well. Basically, every third click is producing a lead for us in this campaign. Let's go. We've had this client on for a long time, so let's do all time. Let's take a look at the stats. So this client, since we've had him on, has spent almost $180,000. They've gotten 1,700 leads, $103 a lead, and almost a 32% conversion rate. So again, every third click is producing a lead in our campaign. So I just want to pop in real quick and just show that we know this niche like the back of our hand. And if you are a foundation repair company or you're an agency and you have a foundation repair client that needs some help, we can certainly help. So if you need anything, just hit us up, clicksgeek.com, clicksgeek.com. Just hit us up and we'll go from there. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.